morning, children. How you all are? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we started exercise 5.2, completed 5.3, which has started. Now I am going to continue exercise 5.3. First one. Do you think? See the first one, Amma. Do you think? Do you think 12 can also have a different tree? Show how. How we can draw the factor tree of 12 in different ways? This is the question. How we can draw the factor tree of 12 in different ways? That is the question. Okay, let us start it. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. First you have to write the order like this. So 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. One more way we can write 12 as factor tree. Children, 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So simply you can write like this: 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. In both the ways we will get the same one. Okay. See the next one, second one. Can the number 25 has more factor tree? How many more? 24 factor trees they are asking us to draw. How many more they are asking? Okay, write it. 24 factor trees. Can the number 24 have more factor trees? More factor trees. Can the number 24 have more factor trees? How many more? That is the question. How many more? How many more? That means in the how many times we can draw this factor tree? That is the question. 24 can be written as 2 12s 24. We know very well 2 12s 24, and 12 can be written as 2 6 12, and 6 can be written as 2 3 6. So simply after getting the prime numbers we can stop there and write the prime factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the one of the way of factor tree to write in prime factorization. Next 24 can be written as 3 8s 24. Yes, na? 3 can be written as usual 3. Next 8 can be written as 2 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So simply 24 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. One more way of 24 is 4 6 are 24. 24 can be written as 4 6 are 24. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. These are the different ways how to write the number 24 in different factor trees. Okay. See the next sum. How many more we can write? We can write 2 more. One factor tree for everyone, and 2 more we can write for 24. Next one, third question. Make 2 factor trees for first one 16. For 16 they are asking us to draw the factor trees for 16. How we will draw? Let us look through that. 16 factor tree. 2 8 16. 8 can be written as 2 4s 8. 4 can be written as 2 2s. So simply 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is one way. 16 factor tree in second way. 4 4s 16. 4 can be written as 2 into 2, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Simply you can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the two ways to draw the factor tree of 16. This is the two ways to draw the factor tree of 16. See the second one, 20. 20 factor tree. 2 tens 20, 10 can be written as 2 5s. So simply you can write it as 2. 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Next one more way of 20. 4 5s 20. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So simply 20 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5. Not there in other way. Two ways are there, we draw it. Say the next one. They ask us to write 2 factor trees for each. See the third one, Anna. That is 30. That is 30. Factor tree. How can we write the factor tree of 30? See 30 factor trees. 3 tens. 10 can be written as 2 5s. So simply 30 can be written as 3 into 2 into 5. One more way. 2 15s. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So simply 30 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. One more way of writing factor tree of 30. 5 6 are 30. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 30 can be written as 5 into 2 into 3. In 3 ways we can write the factor tree of 30. See the next one, Emma, fourth one. Write the factor tree of 32. Fourth one, 32. 32 factor 32 can be written as 2 into 16. 16 can be written as 2 into 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next one, 32. One more way. 32. 4 table 4 8s 32. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. And 8 can be written as 2 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this is the two ways to write the factor tree of 32. See the next one, Nana. How can we write the factor tree of 36? 2 18 is 36. 18 can be written as 2 9s 18. 9 can be written as 3 3s 9. So simply 36 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next one. 36 can be written as 3 into 12. 3 is 36. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Therefore, 36 can be written as 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. One more way for 36. 4 table, 4 9s, 36. 9, 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Simply you can write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. One more way is there to write the factor tree of 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Again here 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Simply 36 can be written as 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay? Like that we can write more factor trees for 36. We can write the more factor trees for 36. Okay? Which of these can have more than 2 factor trees? Which of these can have more than 2 factor trees? We wrote for 30. We wrote for 30 and 36 more than 2 factor trees. trees here. 30, 36, we wrote more than 2 factor trees. We wrote more than 2 factor trees. Next, exercise 5.4. Okay, exercise 5.4 A Roman blanks. Look through that. Exercise 5.4, filling the blanks. First one, each prime number has exactly dash factors. Each prime number has exactly dash factors. Every prime number has exactly 2 factors. What are those 2 factors, children? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. So how many factors each prime number has? 2 factors. Second one, the factors of a prime number. The factors of a prime number. The factors of a prime number are the number itself and what? And what number it is? And 1. Every prime number has only 2 factors. Those 2 factors are 1 and itself. See the third one. The number dash has only 1 factor. Only 1 factor. Which number has only 1 factor? 1 has only 1 factor. The number 1 has only 1 factor. If a number has more than 2 factors, if a number has more than 2 factors, it is not a dash number. If it has more than 2 factors, it is not prime. It is composite number. But it is saying it is not a prime number. See the fifth blank number. Dash is a number. Dash is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Which is neither prime nor composite. Children, you know very well, the number 1 is not prime, not composite. That's why we call 1 is the number which is neither prime nor composite. Okay, children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.